alaikum, everyone. Welcome back to Learn English with Fatima. Today, I'm going to talk about common daily routines in English. Let's get started. My alarm goes off. My alarm goes off. I wake up from sleep. I wake up from sleep. I get up out of bed. I get up out of bed. I take a shower. I take a shower. I wash my hair. I wash my hair. I shave my face. I shave my face. I put on my makeup. I put on my makeup. I iron my shirt. I iron my shirt. I get dressed. I get dressed. I brush my teeth. I brush my teeth. I wash my face. I wash my face. I brush my hair. I brush my hair. I make the bed. I make the bed. I eat breakfast. I eat breakfast. I drink coffee. I drink coffee. I do the housework. I do the housework. I leave the house. I leave the house. I go to work. I go to work. I go to school. I go to school. I catch the train. I catch the train. I catch the bus. I catch the bus. I drive the car. I drive the car. I start to work. I start to work. I take a break. I take a break. I have lunch. I have lunch. I leave work. I leave work. I work overtime. I work overtime. I go home. I go home. I buy groceries. I buy groceries. I cook dinner. I cook dinner. I eat dinner. I eat dinner. I listen to the radio. I listen to the radio. I watch TV. I watch TV. I check my email. I check my email. I have tea. I have tea. I wash the dishes. I wash the dishes. I walk the dog. I walk the dog. I read the newspaper. I read the newspaper. I go out with friends. I go out with friends. I go to a cafe. I go to a cafe. I call my family. I call my family. I do my homework. I do my homework. I put the children to bed. I put the children to bed. I take out the trash. I take out the trash. I feed the cat. I feed the cat. I go to bed. I go to bed. Thanks for watching, everyone. Shukran. Bye.